just hearing about the trend trading strategy, then you are missing a lot because this is the strategy you should have known long time ago. Okay, and of course, with this strategy, you can be making your financial market on daily basis, and I'm going to prove this to you right here in this video. So, if you want to know more about this trading strategy, I will advise you to watch this video to the end so that you will have a better understanding of how it works even before you start using it. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends, family. So, guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay. So guys, like I have explained earlier, if you are yet to know about trend trading strategy, then you are missing a lot because on this particular asset alone, we were able to make use of it to milk the market back to back for over 2 weeks right now. This is FX volume 80, okay, and I'm on 15 minutes time frame. This actually started a downtrend right from here. Actually, it has started long before then, but there are pullbacks, major pullbacks in between. But for those that didn't start right from the beginning, they would have started right from this pullback. And of course, you can see it right from there, giving us, I mean, it switched into a downtrend at this point and it gave us a sell signal right from there. And you can see it so till it got to this particular support zone, okay, which is giving us, I mean, at the end of it, it gave us about 406,966 points. That's so huge, guys. That's so huge. And of course, thereafter, since it's unable to break out from there, it switched into an uptrend again and gave us a single buy signal. Okay, so we got the buy signal from here, and of course, you can see this actually started the day before yesterday, and you can see it right here. It has actually got into this region, and as at yesterday, it got here as at yesterday, and of course, this actually gave us a lot of profit also. Okay, so it was unable to break out from there, and I told us that if it breaks out above this, because of this particular resistance, if it breaks out above it, it will buy more, but if it does not, it will switch back into a downtrend. And as at yesterday night, when I was doing my last video for yesterday, I told us that this has actually gone back. It broke out above it, but it came back into it again, which means this is now serving as the resistance again. And of course, it switched into a downtrend and gave us a sell signal. And if you had watched my video yesterday, I told us that we should take this as our entry point, and right here should be our stop loss because it has given us a new signal right from there. And check it out. I also highlighted some TPs for us: TP1, 2, 3, and 4. Check it out right now. TP1 has been achieved, TP2 has been achieved, TP3 has just been achieved. So this is the power of trend trading strategy. Once you understand how this strategy works, then you will be able to use it to milk the market on daily basis. So I'm going to explain briefly how this really works so that you will have a better understanding of what you want to do before you start using it. Okay, so now let me explain in details. Okay, first of all, the name of the strategy is called the trend trading strategy, and it simply means you only need to follow the trend. You don't need to swim against the currents. You only need to follow the trend. If the trend is on uptrend, just the way it is right from here to this very end, okay, the only thing you need to focus on is the buy signal. You can see it is the buy signal, okay. And if the trend is on downtrend, just the way we are seeing it right here, then definitely the only thing you should focus on is the sell signal, okay, is the sell signal, okay. At this stage, I do not expect you to buy when the market is on downtrend. If you buy when the market is on downtrend, it's like you swimming against the current, okay. Then of course, that means you are risking your capital at that particular time, okay, and that is going to be a lot of risk on your end because you are most likely to lose all your capital at that particular time. Okay, and the same thing is applicable to when the market is on uptrend. I don't expect you to sell at this particular point. If you sell, then you are at the risk of losing out on all your capital. The only thing you should do right here is just to buy. Look for a way to buy, and that is the only thing you need to do. So that is why I quickly explain. I mean, I have a strategy which I actually use in order to implement. Okay, let me put it in this way. I have a planned rule which I actually follow in order for me to implement this strategy. Okay, I think it's better that way. Okay, so the first thing which I usually do whenever I open up my chart like this is to check out the current trend of the market. So, which means you should be able to identify the trend of the market. For those who are unable to identify the trend of the market on a plain chart, then you will need a trading tool that will help you to do that. So that is why I actually came up with a trading tool which can easily let me know when the market is on a particular trend or not. So when it is on an uptrend, it gives me this kind of color, the yellow color, and a downtrend gives me the red color. So it is as simple as that. So I need to know the current trend of the market each time I am about to trade. Okay, so after knowing the current trend of the market, then I will now check out, is it something I can still benefit from? Or I should wait until it switch into the next trend. Okay, if it has gone too far and of course already approaching either the support zone or the resistance zone, then I will have to leave it until I am able to until it is able to switch from that trend into a new trend. Okay, and if it is still something I can also go into, then I will look for a way to go into it. So for instance, this has actually when this got to this particular region, it will be something difficult for me to go into because it has actually gone too far. Okay, you can see it has gone too far at this point. So the only thing I need to do is to wait until it is able to switch from this downtrend into an uptrend. Okay, and the reason for that is that I want to start. I am always cool with it when you start with a trend. Okay, so it gives you more opportunity to earn more within that region, and of course, it reduces the risk. Okay, at that particular point. Okay, so all I just need to do is just to wait for it to switch into an uptrend. Okay, so since it is on downtrend, it was on downtrend before, then it means that I will be targeting the support zone. So at this point, go to the support zone and it does not break out from the support zone. So once it didn't break out from the support zone, then it will have to switch into an uptrend. So at this point, it's switching to an uptrend, and of course, this is when I will jump into it after getting my buy signal. And for me to jump into it, I need to know how to set up my trades, and I'm going to use this as an example for you. When it got to the uptrend at this point, it also switched into a downtrend, and I got a sell signal at this point. And what I needed to do in order for me to have a good entry point, and of course to have a good trading activities, is for me to enter at this point. This is my entry point. Then I need to set my stop loss for each of the orders which I will be creating. And this is where I will be putting my stop loss. I'll be putting it at the resistance zone. So far, it is not too far from the entry point. So the amount I am risking is so small at that particular point. Okay. And of course, I will also set up my TPs. Okay. For instance, if I am placing a single order right here, I will only need a single stop loss. And of course, I may not necessarily, I won't need to set up different TPs like this. I can just target this or just target this particular TP at this particular point. Then another way to go about it is, if I want to create multiple orders. For instance, I am having like 4 TPs here. Okay, so I can create 4 orders at this point, and I also create 4 different stop loss for each of the orders. Okay, so and each of these TP we target, I mean, each of these orders we target each of these TPs. So order one we target TP1, which means order one will have closed immediately it got to TP1. Order two we target TP2, which means order two would have closed by now. Order three we target TP3, which means order three would have closed by now. Okay, so the only order that will be remaining right now will be order four. Okay, and it is meant to target this particular TP. And if you should notice, that should be in huge profit already. So at this point, I don't need this stop loss to be here again, because I'm not expecting the market to go back down and throw all my profit away. Okay, so all I need to do is to secure my profit. So I would love to drag my TP down to this region, so that in case the market refuses to to activate this TP and decide to misbehave, then my stop loss will take me away from the market with the rest of the profits which I am having right there. Don't worry, in my next video, probably I'm going to explain more on how you can use your stop loss to control your trading activities. But for now, I will be stopping right here. I'm really happy that we are able to achieve back-to-back profit on this particular asset. At least we've been on this for like 3 days now, and I'm really happy about this. Okay, so anyone can actually do this. All you need to do is just for you to understand how this strategy work and how you too can also implement it from your end. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.